how to fix the Ethernet not working on your Windows 11 computer. So whether you're unable to see your Ethernet connection or it's connected but it's just not working, I'm going to show you how to solve these issues. So the first thing we need to do is open up the Start menu on your computer. You can then search for Control Panel and click on this window here. In the top right hand side where it says View By, make sure this is set to large icons. You can then click on Network and Sharing Center, and in the left hand side click on Change Adapter Settings. Now you should be able to see your Ethernet cable in this list of devices. If you don't see your Ethernet here, you may need to go in Reset Your Router, and you can do that just by holding down the Reset button located on your physical router. Now once you see Ethernet, we're just going to right click on this, click on Disable, and then right click on this again and press Enable. You can then right click on the Ethernet and click on Properties. Click on Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Make sure Obtain IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server address automatically is selected, and then press OK and close out of this window. Now if it's still not working, then we can come back over to Properties, click on Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties, and now we're going to check the option for Use the following DNS server addresses. Now just go and type in the following numbers, so we're going to type in 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1 and then press OK, close out of this window, and you can check to see if it solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, the final solution is to open up your Start menu, search for Settings and click on this window here. In the left hand side click on Network and Internet. You can then scroll down to Advanced Network Settings and click this, click on Network Reset, and then just press Reset Now. You can then go and press Yes, and once you've done this you'll need to restart your computer. Once your computer's restarted, your Ethernet should now be working. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.